Dr. Vexthar had performed 17,000 diagnostic procedures across 42 species during his career aboard the galactic medical frigate Asclepius. He had never encountered a patient quite like Marcus Webb. The human sat on the examination platform, unremarkably calm for someone who had just survived a catastrophic cargo bay decompression. His vital signs, at least what Vexthar's instruments could interpret as vital signs, appeared stable, but the scanner results made no sense. "I'm sending in a nanobot for internal examination," Vexthar explained, manipulating his medical console with practiced precision. "Standard procedure. You won't feel anything." Marcus shrugged. "Sure, Doc. Whatever you need." The robotic ant, Model K-77, smaller than a grain of sand and equipped with enough sensors to map the interior of a starship, was injected through a dermal port. Vexthar watched his monitors as the tiny machine navigated into Marcus's bloodstream, transmitted through a major artery, and began its diagnostic journey. Within seconds, the data flooding his screens defied every principle of xenobiology he'd studied. The human circulatory system was a war zone. White blood cells, massive, aggressive entities, swarmed through the vessels like military patrols. The nanobot registered thousands of microbial colonies, viral fragments, and unidentified organisms that somehow coexisted within the host. The immune response was simultaneously attacking and ignoring various threats in what appeared to be organized chaos. "Fascinating," Vexthar murmured, adjusting his optical sensors. "Your internal ecosystem is remarkably hostile." "That bad, huh?" Marcus asked. "Bad." The doctor's translator struggled with his tone. "Mr. Webb, you have what we would classify as 14 separate infections." Marcus scratched his head. "I mean, I had some street food on Station Kepler, 5 last week. Might have been a bit sketchy." Before Vexthar could respond, alarms erupted across his console. The nanobot's telemetry had gone erratic. On screen, he watched in horror as a cluster of white blood cells surrounded his expensive diagnostic tool. "No, no, no," Vexthar frantically typed override commands. "Your immune system is attacking my nanobot." "Is that bad?" "It's a sophisticated medical device. Your body shouldn't even recognize it as foreign." The doctor watched helplessly as the white blood cells engulfed the K-77, treating it like an invading pathogen. "I'm initiating emergency extraction protocols." The nanobot, programmed with advanced evasion algorithms, attempted to flee. It darted through capillaries, dove into tissue spaces, and even tried hiding in Marcus's liver. The white blood cells pursued relentlessly. Then something unprecedented happened. The nanobot's AI, faced with imminent destruction, made a decision. It analyzed the human's internal environment, calculated survival probabilities, and chose the only logical option: cooperation. On Vexthar's screen, the K-77's signature suddenly stabilized. The white blood cells stopped their assault. The nanobot had somehow negotiated. "What is it doing?" Marcus asked, noticing the doctor's stunned expression. "Your immune system just accepted it." Vexthar cycled through diagnostics in disbelief. "The nanobot integrated itself into your white blood cell network. It's mimicking their chemical signatures. It thinks it's safer inside you than coming back out. So, I have a robot living in me now. A sentient medical robot that has apparently decided your immune system is less." An alert chimed. The nanobot was transmitting again, but the data format had changed. Instead of raw diagnostic information, it was sending what appeared to be a request for backup. "Is it asking for more nanobots?" Marcus squinted at the alien text on screen. Vexthar read the transmission, his bioluminescent spots flickering in agitation. "It's recommending we send an entire colony of K-77 units into your system. It claims it's discovered something extraordinary about human immune response and wants assistance documenting it." Marcus raised an eyebrow. "Your robot became a scientist?" "My robot," Vexthar said wearily, "has apparently decided that studying Earth biology from the inside is preferable to whatever mundane task I assigned it." He looked at his patient with new appreciation. "Mr. Webb, I need to ask, How did your species survive its own planet? Marcus grinned. Practice, Doc. Lots of practice. The nanobot transmitted another message. It was staying indefinitely. It had found paradise in the chaos of human biology, and nothing. Not its programming, not its creator, not even the terrifying white blood cells would make it leave. Dr. Vex there made a note in Marcus's file. Patient has adopted medical equipment. Equipment appears content with arrangement. Recommend not attempting retrieval.